So over the next minute or so, we're going to walk you through why we think your Excel spreadsheet for managing people admin is the one thing that could be holding back your business. So let me guess, some of the conversations you've had internally could be along the lines of, we're too small to have a HR system. It's going to be too expensive. Spreadsheet's been working fine. Believe me when we tell you that we see this day in, day out, and the spreadsheet can be the root cause of some of the people admin mistakes. And here's the reality. You're probably already paying more to manage the spreadsheet and stay on the spreadsheet than you would do for a proper HR system. Every time someone's spending a couple of hours, updating holiday balances manually, making some, formula tweaks, that's time lost in the business. The compliance mistakes that could creep up because the data is in the wrong cell will prove costly in the long run. And all those new starters that get given the wrong information or don't get given information at all, because some of the details in the spreadsheet were not kept up to date, will cost you in credibility. Modern HR systems are cost effective. There's something out there for everyone. It all comes down to your requirements and your available budget, and we can help support you with that. Here at MJV Consulting, we partner with Breathe HR. And just to give you an idea, for a business with up to 20 employees, you can expect to be paying £44 a month for the core HR platform. And if you're being really honest, your coffee budget alone is probably higher than that. So the real question isn't whether you can afford a HR system altogether. It's whether you think you can afford to keep using that spreadsheet that's creating chaos behind the scenes. If you'd like to find out more about how we can help you move away from spreadsheet to a HR platform, please do get in touch.